Blessings, family. Are you considering getting a braided wig but wondering if it's worth the investment? Well, in this video, I'm exposing the top benefits of braided wigs that will make you wonder how you ever live without one. Yes, did you see that beautiful braided wig that lady just had on? Oh my gosh, it was absolutely gorgeous. And look at this one. Look at these braids. These braids look absolutely natural. They look stylish. The length is amazing, which makes it so versatile. So today I'm diving into the advantages that make braided wigs a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their hair game, whether you're dealing with hair loss, short hair, or thin hair, or maybe you just want to try a new look or simply need a low maintenance style. Well, look at this beautiful braided wig. Look how that looks. Look how natural it looks. It looks like your natural scalp. And all you have to do is customize it to fit your personality in your face. Yes, look how gorgeous these wigs are. They come in so many different styles. You can get regular box braids. You can get box braids with the curly ends. You can get one with the braided design. You can get them in a twist. Look at this one that she's installing. Oh my gosh, these wigs are absolutely gorgeous. Braided wigs have been making waves in the hairstyle community, and I'm so excited to explore what makes them so special, from their versatility to the ease of use. Look how easy it is to just slide them on, customize it by cutting off the lace, and then laying you some baby hairs. Or if you don't want baby hairs, you do not have to have them. I don't call them baby hairs, I call them wavy hairs. And look at all the multiple hairstyles that you can make with these braided wigs. You can do up, do styles, half up, half down. They come in colors. Look at this one. This is the boho braided wig. Look how gorgeous this looks. Again, they come in so many different colors. You can get the honey blonde, you can get burgundy, they come in pink. I mean, just so many different colors. Look how gorgeous this one looks. She is just customizing it by tinting the lace so that it can match her own skin complexion. She's working these wavy hairs. She's adding a little foundation to the scalp so that it looks a lot more natural. And look how gorgeous this looks. I mean, introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil. There's no comparison. Get your hair growth butter today. Yes, this is our G&G hair growth oil, and it is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. So get you a braided wig and get you some hair growth products. Tap the link in the description below to check out our hair growth products. They are absolutely wonderful.